Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video, Life with May May. Oh, I'm at the dollar store, and I decided to pick the camera up. I had to come for my dove and some rope, and I gotta get my husband his lighters. We are on the way to get the box spring. We never got it for the king mattress. You want a pack of big sliders, so it's $5.25. Okay. Hello.
At least you found it.
Yeah, they had a few left. You was right back there.
$17.49. $32.51.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You too. So yeah, it's real windy out here too. You guys go back and watch my shorts. I'm so uncomfortable right now. I wore another pair of socks. It's slipping in my shoe. I can't stand that. But I'm gonna hook you guys up. I got my truck back. Hook you guys up so you can see the scenery. Yeah, she said they had no rope at first. She said if we do is back there. I went back there. They had 4 things. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm letting you see the scenery. So hopefully they got this mattress, this box spring we need. We gotta go to the Bible store first to see if they got a frame, so we can set it on. I'm tired of the mattress not fitting how we got it. So we gotta get it right. Get it right, get it right, get it right. So yeah, I see you got 340 subscribers. We had 341. I don't know what happened to the one, but grateful for the 340. So you guys keep it coming. Keep like, sharing, subscribing, commenting. Positive comments only. Won't take no negativity over here. All positive vibes. Because everybody can't get on here and do this. Everybody don't want to get on here and do this, so. So, yeah. I can't really record around my husband, but I'm gonna get all I can. Yeah, all the footage I can. So we had family fair on the north side, down the street from our house. And it's La Plaza with Dollar Tree, Dollar General. You got Santa Fe. You got a resale store. You got the gym. You got the cleaners. I gotta go to that cleaners. My husband bought me a Pelly Pail. It's a leather coat with Pelly Pail on it and little studs. It's a beautiful coat. But they messed it up, so I gotta go see how it looks. Probably go over there next week. Get them a call later today and tell them I'm gonna come by next week and see how it look and see if I want to try to save it, because it's been cleaned so many times. It's like it can't come clean. And so yeah, I gotta call them. I'm gonna wait till my husband come out. So we getting I guess we ordering out. We getting he getting a personal pan pizza. I'm getting 6 drumsticks. That's what I'm getting. So, yep. Let's see, how much is this gonna come up to? Oh yeah, I kept that. Damn, we got the cards. I don't know how much is on this. 24. So that's 54. How much on this one? I don't know how much is on. I thought I had 54. So hopefully it's 20 on this one. Ooh, my back itching. Because I thought it was $74 last time I looked. So hopefully it's 20 on this one. Feel sick, I gotta eat. Oh, here we go. Yep, we're gonna give them all these cards. All these cards. It's a holiday. Okay, we're going to this Bible store. Hopefully they got it. You know what? Sometimes the sock is falling down on this feet to stay up. Like this. It's like this feet bigger than that. Okay, guys, we're in the Bible store. Let's see what they got. Got a lot of different stuff. Hello. We were wondering if you guys got the bed frames, the metal, for a king.
Depending what size.
King.
Yeah, I don't have king.
You don't?
No. You'd have to go to Big Lots has frames, and Walmart has frames.
Really?
Yeah, we don't have no king. I know we don't. Somebody else asked for one.
Oh, shoot. I bet y'all got a lot of queens, don't y'all?
We don't have no queens left.
What?
No, we don't have no bed frames right now at all.
Well, I know. We got one years ago, and my husband was like, they probably got a lot of them still.
We used to have a lot, but now we haven't
People found out.
We haven't been getting them in. And,
Yeah.
But I don't think I got one back that I can even make a frame out of.
Okay, how much is that?
All right. Thank you. Yeah, the books. Yeah, somebody found my secret. So I don't know how this gonna be. Sitting on top of the throw that sleep number thing away and sit it on top of that regular. Okay, guys, we have to. Get this box spring so we get a metal rail. Fillers will look. They got to look for the elephant. It's time to get me one on the way out. You guys ain't never had them. They good. My husband really like them. OMG. Especially if you get the cherries on top. And I got some whipped cream at home. Oh, yes. So we're going to see what they got here. Still to make a difference. Sorry, still coming down. And they got some newer light wheelchairs. See, baby, brand new. See, box spring. Yep, we just looking around right now, see if they got the rails. No, it ain't. Look at this. Marble. So we gotta get somebody help us. I'm finna go look at see if they got some new sheets too. So you gotta get somebody to help us so we can get somebody.
Is that monkey too?
Alright, we need help. We wanna buy a box spring.
Okay.
A King box spring.
Let me see if we got one in back here.
Oh yeah, they said you I called earlier, you guys got a lot of them.
Alright, are you guys taking it now?
Yep.
Okay.
You guys got the metal frame things back there?
Don't know if we have a metal frame for King.
Okay, can you ask when you ask for that? No?
No, we don't.
What the what? I don't know, baby. Nobody got the metal frame for the King. Like, that's just unheard of. Okay, let's see about the sheets.
I need some cute shoes.
Fitted one. Fitted. Ramon. Nice picture. They got these old ones.
We don't have any metal frames that go as big as the King.
Yeah,
So the
no.
only thing I have is Queen, but I might have a bed.
Really?
No metal frame. I don't know. I can go look. Maybe, but I don't have any.
Yeah. Okay, we want the King box spring.
Okay. Well,
And then if
we
you,
had King box frames, right?
yeah, I called earlier.
Yeah, we
keep
should have
asking.
Okay, we have the King box.
Yeah. So check on the what you say in the bed.
Something like this. It would be a whole bed. I don't know if we do or not. I know we don't have metal frames. But I
Okay.
can see real quick. I'll have it.
Okay. No, that's old fashioned. No, cause then once you buy it, oh, I want a 4-post. We getting a 4-post. Old fashioned. Might as well get out of way. $50. He said he gonna see. He said he think he got a frame thing, like a bed thing, for the key. So we gonna see. But he said they don't got the metal frame that it'll sit on. I said, what's up with that? They don't sell the keys, but they got the old that go in and look the headboard. Look at them. Somebody bought that blue one. Remember I took a picture and showed you that velvet? Remember the bed frame? A while ago. It was right here. I knew somebody was gonna buy that. Let's see, wood, that's twin. So yeah, guys, if you're into antiques, you know how they say another man's junk is another man's treasure. So come and clean up on certain stuff. They sell new box springs and mattress here at Gateway Thrift Store in Holland, Michigan. For you guys that don't know. So yeah, a lot of clothes, men and women, kids, household stuff, pillow. I wish I could find me 2 red pillows. They don't have them. This is a wooden dresser. Okay. Yeah, but it ain't no dresser. That's for like a living room thing. See that? Yep, you can put it in your man cave. Oh yeah, $200. Oh, $149. See it say TV stand. Yeah, I know that could fit on there. That's what I'm just saying. Another man's junk, another man's treasure. Been looking for this. Antique dresser. How much they want for this? $92. I was looking, last time I came, I saw one of them welcome signs. I should have got it. Now I ain't seen one no more. You know how they put them on their porches? Yeah. No, I don't even know what he's doing. Somebody getting it or what? It's gonna get crowded in here, you could tell. Pillows. Flowers. Hey, we got flowers. Sure, I'm gonna ask him. Dang, is somebody bringing it or what? He didn't say nothing. Excuse me, sir. Is somebody bringing it up?
Did you pay for it yet?
No. I didn't know I was supposed to pay for it
Yeah,
first.
we can't, that's way in the mezzanine. You gotta, you
Oh.
gotta pay for it.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Come on, boo boo. We gotta pay for it first. It don't make sense. And he ain't even say nothing. When he said all that, he should have said you gotta pay for it first. He didn't say nothing. He said, yeah, we have them. Like what? You get the stuff first, then you pay for it. Somebody's way in the back, something. Told you it's getting crowded, They ain't got nothing to do on a Saturday. Heck no. I said I want to try that little restaurant. You see it on the corner? Right there. A little funny little building, white. That's the restaurant. They help people that's in the mission. Them all the people that work there. To get back on their feet so they can get back in society. I said, Jane, that's nice. I told you that's why I had went when I was signing the application. I just wanted to see how it looked. I want to do a video. And he asked me to sign the application. Like, how much they make it? He said 18. I'm like, oh no. That's way lower than what I make. I can't do that. He's like, you got any experience? I say, yeah, I did prep cook for like 4 years. Oh, that's right up our alley. But they opened last year in September. And I kept saying, man, baby, gotta go try it out. Support, because I was in the mission, you know? Yeah. His big old self, I thought he was going to get it.
Take it to your car. I don't know. Do you have a way to take that with you now, or do you want to take it later?
No, I have a way now. I have my truck outside.
Awesome. Mr. Neal. Okay, somebody's going to have to take my spot. I got to get a key back, spring down. Somebody's going to take it. Do you have any discounts?
I'm a senior.
I should know that by now. I see so many people.
Oh, yeah, that's all right.
right.
Yeah.
So, we'll do this one.
See, it pays to be a senior. Get like $10 off. Depends on how much it is. Oh, wisdom discount. I got $24. I thought it was $10.
That's because you're smart.
Dang. But that's a better way to say, instead of calling you a senior, it's wisdom. Yeah, because the lady told me. I'm like, what? She said it's just a better way of saying senior. So I thought it was like $10 off. It's $24.
Oh, yeah, you can do that too. That's for the goodies on the shelf behind me. You enter, put it.
Oh, okay. And look at George Washington. The other one must be Abraham Lincoln. That's it. Them things, you could bust somebody in the head, one of them.
All right. We're remaining down to 150.81 unless you have other cards.
Nope.
I don't know what to do.
170.
50, 60, 70 it is.
That's 8. Which one is that? Which president is he? Abraham Lincoln?
All the signs tell you what it is for stuff.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Put it in that plastic bin.
No, I just want to know which one it is. Know that. I don't even say it.
We'll get it down if you want to drive around back by the donation overhead and meet you at that door to load it.
So that way?
North side building, yes, ma'am.
All right. Can you bring some scissors too in case I got to cut my rope?
There's probably some there.
All right. Free, baby, free. Say past expiration date. Don't nobody be looking at that. Find some way to wash my mess or get that water hose out when it's warm one day. This video keep on going. I kept turning it on for 27 minutes. If I would have let it keep rolling, but see, that's why I don't, because you might say something. You can't record everything. And just like that, they heard that. You just gotta be careful what you say, because once you send it, it's already out there. That way, it's not no joke, guys. It's killing me, killing my curls. Let's see how they gonna put this on there. How much further you go? Right way to the back. What? Oh, right there. Must be. How you get out of this? No, for not. Yep.
Can you exit through the other way? That's an exit only.
Oh, okay.
That'll be easier for me to get to you back.
All right, big boy. I already knew you probably was gonna be the one to do it anyway. Remember that Avenger that I got for you? Look how old that one is. So it's just 2 box springs. That's all mom's them is. Ah. Let's see about this rope. see it. That kind of work, baby. Nope. I got it.
It's not blocking your visibility at all.
Throw that on top. Put it in the middle. You gotta put it in the front too, baby.
Any more help from me?
Yeah.
Austin, I can't tie knots, but I can help you with tight.
Don't hit me.
Yeah, I can't tie knots, brother.
It's a liability. If I were to tie knots, something wrong.
Front too. Make sure you put one in the front.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Yeah, we gotta go. They about to hit me trying to get out of here. Man. I don't know if that's good enough. Huh? Talking about over here. Why you?
Trying to make it tight.
I know I'm talking about over here. It's gonna be tight on your side, not over here. I don't know, you gotta see. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure the front, but yeah.
That's why I gotta do that first.
That one already got 3 things of tightness.
If it ain't tight, don't matter. Just slide right on up. Slid right in. I'm sure I could do it. Running on the big set. Started doing this.
Got it up there. Good Lord's will stay, Lord. These people act like they all in a rush. Want nobody back here till we can. That's how stuff always be. Staring at people, what? Then the people that's donating stuff coming this close to me. I'm like, dang, they gonna hit me. Guess I ain't getting no elephant here. I'm ready to go home, get this off here. Got all next week, so. So, do we call Sluggo or you think it's ready?
You already called them?
No, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah, if you called them, yeah, they get it ready. I mean,
Take it off.
I ain't talking about that. I'm talking about.
I know, I'm just saying. That's what's happening.
Which is true. You know, so you should have did it then.
I didn't know. I tried. So. Yeah. this video about to be over. Every time we gotta move stuff, he get attitude. Just lazy. It'll be alright. And then this is back on this thing. It's bending this thing. Right. Talking about that little thing, that's my town.
Oh, yeah.
Just let us make it home, the Lord said. It all set up. This is for the birds. He still ain't tying it right. Slow goes east side. It's weird. It's packed over here, but it's a lot of business up there. Just things. Studios, nails, presidential cats. I don't know what that is. Dutch. What? Oops. Mind, body, and spirit. So yeah, they got this little strip. I guess that's a tattoo shop. Yep. So yep, guys, I'm probably gonna end this video here. Thank you guys for subscribing. All 340 of you guys. I pray 346,000 more. Come on over here and join the channel. We're uplifting. We're positive vibes. We're spiritual over here. These are the hours. That's it. Phone number and the hours. Probably check out my shorts. Probably Bob Marley. The video of the food I get. I don't know. I did my couple of shorts already for the day, and it's windy out here. Hope everybody is doing good today. Today started off like sunny and all that, but now, see, it's windy. Really, 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 really windy. Alright, okay.
No, I know you see the video. I'm like, man.
Okay, guys, catch you in my next video. Like for man.